My name is Solis Richardson, and I will graduate from Riverside High School. I earned on my youth apprenticeship certificate from GPS Ed this June. The most important lesson I have learned is that it's how the adult world works. I didn't know how hard it could be as a little kid. I thought my life was like a game. Now that I'm working, I have learned so many life skills, like making sure I rest, eat well, get my transportation well set up the night before, and put my alarm on. All these things help me get to work. After a few weeks of working, I really understand what my parents have been doing for me and for my sister. One of the best experiences I have as a GPS student was when I had to make a boat out of a cardboard. It was fun, and we got the chance to race against other students. Something that makes me different from regular high school students, is that I got work experience at ITU Surf Tech that I would have never gotten if I stayed at GPS high school. In 5 years, I see myself working as a plumber because my dad is a plumber and he seems really happy. I want to be like him and provide myself and give back to my family. I have a lot to learn in this trade, and I hope my dad teaches me all he knows, so I can be good as him. I could be as good as him. I would like to thank my teachers, Lucille and Pierre. Lucille, because she has been there for me and she's always helping me. She was one of the best teachers I ever had. And also, I want to thank my parents. Because they believed in me. One last piece of advice I will give to any student joining GPS is to always ask for help, because the teachers want to help you be successful. I really appreciate my time at GPS Ed, and thank you to everyone who has been there for me.